Paper ChatGPT tutorial. Open Paper ChatGPT by clicking on either the top menu or the pop-up box. You will have 4 main options to choose from. Select depending on the aim you have for editing or expanding on your paper draft. Let's elaborate on any sentence or paragraph. To do so, you just place the option 1 into the chat box. Paper ChatGPT will then ask you to copy and paste the sentence or paragraph you want to elaborate on. For all WriteWise features, by just following the given instructions, you will get stellar results. Finally, Paper ChatGPT will ask if there is any additional information you want to include. You can put none if you want, but the more detailed information you include, the more robust and accurate the response will be. The response or generated text will appear here. Once ready, you can click Insert Text to place it into the text editing area wherever you want. Please note that you are not limited to the 4 options given. You can use the chat box to freely chat with Paper ChatGPT. For example, you can say, "Give me more title options based on the abstract," and then paste your abstract so that Paper ChatGPT has the context. Importantly, you can also access an extensive prompt or instructions database by clicking on the button Prompt Templates. Select the type of instruction you want to get, then select the prompt you want to use. The prompt will automatically appear in the chat box. Complete the prompt according to your needs and your draft paper. Then click the Generate Text button to get a response.